Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, Saigon. Hopefully everybody's feeling pretty good, pretty peachy keen. We're seeing that crypto markets right now are down a little bit, but we're seeing that overall things are looking pretty good. We're seeing that Bitcoin is over $43,000 in the house right now. So that is pretty good. We've got some really interesting news. Looks like there's some rumors circulating that Vitalik Buterin could be actually the inventor of Bitcoin. So we're going to jump into that. Looks like, Jeremy Powell in the house. It looks like he's confirming that they're going to be doing rate hikes, but they're not as high as we thought, maybe only about 0.25 basis points. We've got some interesting Dogecoin donations for Ukraine coming in right now as well. So we've got a whole bunch of stuff to talk about, and I am so bullish right now about crypto, about Bitcoin, about Dogecoin, about Ethereum. You guys have to just watch this video to the end. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. It's so good to be back in the driver's seat. I was in the hospital for 2 days having surgery on my shoulder. I had a metal plate that was taken out, so I'm still stiff and sore, but I'm good to be back in the driver's seat. So I just want to say thank you to the community. Thank you for everybody out there showing support, showing some love. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, and this is only for education, entertainment purposes. So let's jump into it, guys. Do go back and watch all my other videos. Get it while you can, guys. And let's take a look at the heat map now. So if we look at the heat map right now, we're seeing that BTC is right now slightly down. Ethereum is down. It's kind of, everything's down just ever so slightly, and we're seeing that Bitcoin had a huge big pump in the past couple of days, and that was mainly due to all the stuff that's going on in Russia right now. And you're seeing that a lot of the large corporations, the oligarchs out there, were actually buying up Bitcoin because the ruble had gone down almost 44% at the lowest right now. So it looks like that a lot of Russian money is moving into Bitcoin right now. So that is pretty cool news from that perspective, and that's what is also pumping the price right now. We're also going to talk about the leveraged longs in the house. We're seeing that right now between the leveraged longs and the leveraged shorts, it's kind of equal right now, and that is another reason why Bitcoin is going sideways. Not so much volatility right now. I've seen a fear and greed. Yesterday was neutral at 52. It's come down from where it was yesterday, and now it's at 39. So things are still looking pretty good, considering that last week the fear and greed was at 23 in the house. So that is really good. Some news that's coming in right now. We're seeing that the pre-markets right now for the Dow is up, the S&P is up, the Nasdaq futures are slightly down, but I believe these are going to turn green as things start to go on. And this whole Ukrainian-Russia war, we're seeing that the whole Ukrainian economy is absolutely being devastated by the sanctions and all the pressure that's coming from the international community. And I really don't see that this whole conflict is going to last much longer, because they just don't have the means and they just don't have the fortitude to do that, guys. So Federal Chairman Powell notes highly uncertain Ukraine impact, but says rate hikes are still coming. So Jeremy Powell is confirming that there are rate hikes, and they are coming. So Fed Chairman Jeremy Powell did say that Wednesday he still sees interest rate hikes ahead, although he knows the implication for U.S. economy is slightly uncertain because of the Ukraine war right now. So that is what's going on. But he said the inflation has risen above the Fed's 2% target, but definitely rate hikes are coming. How many rate hikes we're going to have? Maybe we could have 9, maybe we could have 8, but we really don't understand what they are in terms of basis points. But then later he did come out and confirm that the Federal Reserve is ready to increase the rates right now, and that should be around about 2.5 basis points. So that is another reason why we saw the markets go up yesterday, is because of the basis points. People was thinking about 5.0 basis points, but it was only actually 2.5 is what they're promising to give us. So this just coming in right now, and this is from Ali in the house, and he's saying that if we look at Ethereum, check out how the Ethereum pattern is very much similar to the consolidation phase that Ethereum saw March 2016 to 2017. So what that means is, if we're going through this same consolidation phase that we went through in 2016 to 2017, this could absolutely confirm that if we get another breakout to the upside like we had here and here, we could see a huge pump, and that could definitely be taking Ethereum to $10,000. And don't forget, we got the Ethereum bridge that's coming out pretty soon as well, and that should be coming out in Q2. We got also the Dogecoin bridge and all that stuff that's coming out, Ethereum 2.0, the bridge. So it's looking pretty positive for Ethereum, and I definitely believe that in springtime and summertime, crypto is going to absolutely explode to the moon, guys. So I know a lot of you have been wondering what's going on, but even despite all of this kibosh that's going in Eastern Europe right now, we're still seeing that the cryptocurrencies are very, very strong, and things are looking pretty good. This also coming in right now, and this is from Blakenhouse, and he says hoping to see another push from Bitcoin over the next few days. The pump plus accumulation and continuation pattern happens pretty regularly with BTC, so we should be getting ready for a larger impulse to the upside. We've had a continuation pattern. We're now having a consolidation, and we seem to be consolidating between about 42,000 and 44,500. We're going to get into that in the charts in a second, but we're seeing that Bitcoin is really right now fundamentally ranged between 42.5 and 44,500 in the house. So hopefully we can break out above that. I think we can do that. Also, this is from Miles on House, and he's just looking at he's just comparing the Bitcoin current pattern to the Wyckoff pattern, and you can see that the Bitcoin pattern right now is very, very similar, very, very similar to the Wyckoff pattern. And if this does play out, we could definitely be seeing that Bitcoin should be going uppity up. So we should, we're right now in the accumulation phase for Bitcoin, and that's pretty clear. You can see by the chart here, it's almost identical. We're in a clear accumulation phase, and then we should have a huge breakout to the upside pretty soon, guys. So, this is where we're heading, and I believe that we could be definitely seeing, $100,000 Bitcoin coming in the summer and the springtime. So I'm pretty excited about that. You guys should be excited about that as well. So also, too, here we're seeing that if we look at where Bitcoin is right now, this is a huge time to be accumulating, and we've only seen Bitcoin touch this floor model 3 times over the last 10 years, and we saw it. Here when we had the pandemic crash, we had the bear low of 2018-19, and we had the bear low of 2014 and 15, and we're seeing this floor being touched again, and this is the most accurate floor model. And once this happens, guys, we should see that Bitcoin should start to take off. So this is a great time to be accumulating more Bitcoin. I keep telling everyone that this is a huge time to accumulate. I mean, I had a conversation with a friend this morning, and he was asking me, should I be buying more and more crypto? Absolutely. You guys definitely want to be dollar cost averaging. What the OG does is the OG dollar cost average every Thursday. It doesn't matter what the price is. Bitcoin is definitely going to the moon. This is from Tech Dev in the house. This is just coming out in the last couple of hours, and we can see that if you look at the 2010, 2012 1 week versus the 2016 till now on the 2-week chart, you're seeing something very similar, something very identical. And you can see once we hit these patterns here and here, you can see this is where we had the halving here, and I still believe this cycle is still going to be extended, and we still have a lot of room to grow. I think that we're only halfway there to the top, and I think that our second top is still incoming for Bitcoin, and this is going to be huge, guys, absolutely huge coming in. So people are talking about this breaking. Vitalik Buterin claims to actually be Satoshi Nakamoto, and Bitcoin and saying that Bitcoin was his failed experiment. So guys, what do you guys think? Smash the like, subscribe. Do you think that Vitalik could be the infamous, the nefarious Satoshi Nakamoto? Do you think that Vitalik could be? Absolutely could be, and he said that Bitcoin was a failed experiment, but wow, what a failed experiment, guys. So what do you guys think? You think Vitalik is definitely the guy, the man behind Bitcoin? Comment, guys, tell me what you think about it. Could be. And this also looks like this is from Nick in the house, and he's saying that Bitcoin moonshot rising wedge blow off top scenario is still alive. So we're still seeing that Bitcoin is still moving in this rising wedge, and we could be seeing a blow off top anytime soon. And I think that this blow off top, and he's predicting a blow off top sometime in June of this year. We could be seeing a blow off top, and that could be he's predicting here a blow off top around about $320,000. So we're seeing that a lot of the indications, a lot of the TA, they're still saying that Bitcoin has a lot of room to grow, and we're seeing that the number of Bitcoin on exchanges is getting lower and lower day by day, guys. And absolutely, we're going to the moon. Absolutely going to the moon. This is also from Matthew Hayward. This is more confirmation, and that's why I'm so bullish about Bitcoin. And he's comparing the NASDAQ 1997 to 1999 pre-dot-com bubble to the Bitcoin bubble right now, and you can see that something exactly the same. We've had pretty much similar pattern. We had a head and shoulder pattern. We had a breakout to the upside. Here we had a head and shoulder pattern, breakout to the upside, and it looks like we're now going down this descending triangle, this descending wedge here, and it looks like we're preparing to break out to the top side. So if you look at this and you overlay these two fractals together, they're eerily similar. And if this prediction comes true, we could easily be seeing, according to Matthew Hayward, 130 $150,000 Bitcoin at any time here in the summertime. So, we're seeing so much data, so much confluence from a number of sources that say that we're definitely going to be seeing blow off top coming soon. So let's take a look right now at the leverage apes in the house. So the leverage apes right now is about 148 million, and right now we're seeing that the shorts and the longs are almost 50-50, and that's why the market makers are still pretty much undecided in terms of what Bitcoin is going to do. That's why we're seeing Bitcoin being very range bound between 42,000 and 44,500, and we need to get past 44,500 to actually break out to the next level. And Bitcoin often does that. It actually consolidate, then it'll have a next leg up, then consolidate, and then have a next leg up the upside. So that's absolutely what we're seeing right now. So let's take a look at DeFi Llama. We're still seeing that right now the total amount of money locked on chain is, Ethereum is about 114 billion locked on chain, and we're seeing that Terra Luna is the second biggest coin on in terms of TVL. And right now we're seeing that in the last 24 hours, we're seeing Luna's total TVL that's been locked is up 1%. We're seeing BSC is number 3. Phantom is moving up to number 4 spot right now. So this is pretty good. And for me, where I'm putting my money, I'm putting a lot of my money in these layer 1 solutions: Ethereum, Terra, Phantom, Avalanche, Solana, Polygon, Polkadot. And these are really, in my opinion, this is not financial advice, these are definitely coins you want to be looking at and holding these absolutely long term. So this also coming in right now. It looks like Ukraine starts accepting Dogecoin donations, and this has been very, very helpful. And right now you can go and give donations to the Ukrainians to support their efforts out there, and now they're accepting Dogecoin. So this is just another positive catalyst for Dogecoin. The community is strong, the army is strong. So guys, let's get it. Let's support Ukraine out there. And let's take a look at the Dogecoin price right now. So Dogecoin right now is trading at 13 cents, and that is pretty good. It's above our 13 cent resistance level. That's become green, and our next target is 14 cents. So we did get above 14 cents on the 1st of March. We did get rejected a little bit, but everything's looking pretty positive. And don't discount the Doge. Don't discount anyone out there. Everything is looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the into the block right now. So we're seeing that right now Dogecoin is at 13.2. It's down about 1%. We're seeing right now that the total concentration of Dogecoin by large holders is about 62% in the house, and that is looking pretty good. Overall, we're seeing that things are looking good, and it's mostly bearish right now, but we're definitely going to be starting to see much more momentum, and the Dogecoin should be making some moves soon. And I still predict that we should be seeing at least a 50 to 60 cents Dogecoin coming in by the summertime. So I'm solely excited about that. You should be excited about that too. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu right now it's just been going sideways, and it's at 25.76, and we're above. We were able to get above our resistance level here at 25 in the house. So right now we're just slightly above our resistance levels, and it's now become support. And my next target, we have this descending resistance here that we need to get past. So hopefully we can blow past that. I think we're just going to be going sideways until we get to the apex of this, and we should start to break out probably by next week. We should see ourselves moving to the upside. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very healthy right now. We're broken out of our channel line, and we're just about to retest our $45,000. So things are looking very positive for Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin also on the daily, we see that right now Bitcoin is still forming a huge healthy pattern right now. Let me just elongate that for you. You can see that we have this W pattern forming. We have the bottom, we have the center, and I believe that we should bounce off this support here at lowest around about 38,000, and then that should take us well above the $45,000 area. So I'm seeing a pretty bullish pattern for Bitcoin right now, and it's looking pretty healthy. And I'm forecasting, by the middle of March we should be well above $45,000 or more in the house. So that's looking pretty good. If you take a look at Ethereum right now, Ethereum is doing very good. It's trading at $22,897. We did get rejected at the $3,000 level, so we have come down from that, but I believe that we're just going to be going sideways for a while. Then we're going to be punching past $3,000. No problems there with that. Seeing that also Solana has also done reasonably well. It did hit a high of 106, did get rejected right now. We've got some support here around this level at around about $95, and right now we're trading at $97. I think what will probably happen is you'll see Solana probably go down to this level, bounce up, and then break out to the upside. So that is also looking pretty good. If we take a look at Phantom in the house, Phantom is doing very good. It did break past my resistance level at $1.91. That's become support right now, and and hopefully this support level will hold, and we should get ourselves back up to $2 pretty soon. So it's looking pretty good, and it looks like Phantom is following my trending upward trending line exactly as predicted, guys. So that is looking pretty good. So let's take a look at the market cap right now. The market cap is at 1.93 trillion, and the volumes are so at 60.56 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is way too high for my liking. We need the Bitcoin dominance to definitely be coming down. Let me just give this a quick minty refresh in the house, guys. So we're seeing right now that in the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up 23.46%. We're seeing that the Bitcoin is at $43,385. We're seeing that Ethereum is up 20% in the last 7 days, slightly down right now, 3% at 2,896. We're seeing that XRP is also down as well, but it's up for the whole week. We're seeing Luna is up a shocking 64% in the last 7 days. We're seeing ADA is also down right now, almost 5%, but it's still up in the last 7 days. DOT is down as well. We're seeing Doge is slightly down at 2.72%. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is down as well. So things are not looking too bad in the house, but we can see that here, February Bitcoin is up 12.21%, and so far March for Bitcoin is looking pretty good. And typically, you can see that April and May are typically very good months for Bitcoin. So hopefully this will hold for 2022, and I believe that we're going to see a really good green month in April, May, June, and July. I think the next 4 months should be pretty positive, followed by August, September. We should start to see some red and start to go down. So I'm pretty positive overall about Biddy, and I think things are going to be looking pretty good. So, from that perspective, that brings this video to an end. So guys, go down, follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to go down there, smash the like, subscribe like crazy. Don't forget to follow all the links below, guys. Check out all the links. Become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Do not forget to go and check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. Go up and over there and subscribe, YB. And check out the merch. Remember, all the merch, all the membership, all goes to charity, guys. You're going to love it. I love it. So let's get it right now, guys. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. It's a great time to be alive. Good to be back in the driver's seat. First day out of the hospital. Shoulder still pretty painful out there, but things are looking pretty good, guys. So hopefully, more energy. We'll be back later on today, guys. So just God bless each and every one. Thank you for the support. Let's get it, guys. So crypto is looking pretty good. Don't discount the Doge. Don't discount anything. Definitely buy the summer and springtime. We're definitely going to the moon, guys. Let's get it, guys. I can smell the rocket fuel, guys. Woo!